This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting signed in and permitting location access so Maps can link places to your account. Open the Google Maps app or Maps. Google.com in a browser, then sign into the Google account you want to register with. Once done, make sure device location services are on and grant the app or site permission to use your location. This helps verify addresses and improve suggestions. Now you're ready for the first registration actions. Find the place or add a missing business. You next either search for the business or tap Add a Missing Place to register it. Enter the required details: clear name, accurate address, correct category, phone number, hours, and a website if available. These fields reduce verification friction. If the place already exists, pick Claim this business and follow prompts to request ownership. Use transitional text fields like suite or building numbers for precision. This improves discovery and speeds up verification later, so double-check each entry before submitting. Finally, you must verify the listing to complete registration. Google typically offers postcard, phone, email, or instant verification depending on account and business type. Follow the exact verification instructions you receive. Enter codes promptly and confirm details. Verification proves you're the owner or manager and unlocks editing and analytics. If verification fails, make sure your Google account contact info is correct, check spam folders, and retry with accurate address formatting. If
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.